Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this square one cube. Square one cube is a bit different from 3 by 3. I've got a lot of requests to make a tutorial video on the same. So I'll just show you few pieces since there is no center piece over here. This is second layer is bandaged, so you can see only from one equator line we can move the layers. So we can't move from this side or from this side, so we can move only from this equator line. So we can move from there here only. Secondly, we have to align the pieces so that we can move it. Next we will hold the smaller piece of red or this orange and we'll solve it. So either we'll hold it from here and then we'll solve it, or we'll hold it from here and then we'll solve it. Next, how the movement will happen. So these are corner piece and this is edge piece. So edge piece, edge piece, edge piece, edge piece. So edge piece, if we move from clockwise like this, we will consider this edge piece as 1 and this corner piece as 2. So this edge piece will consider as 1 if we move clockwise. If we move anti-clockwise from here to here, then it is -1. Similarly, if we move this corner piece anti-clockwise, then we'll consider this corner piece as -2 like this. So this is anti-clockwise 2 moves, and if we move from here clockwise, then we'll consider as 2. Since it's a corner, so we consider all corners as 2 and all edges as 1. So this will consider as 2, and if we move clockwise, then it will be 2, so +2. If it is anti-clockwise, it is -2. If it is clockwise, it is +2. Similarly, edge piece, if we move clockwise, it is +1, anti-clockwise -1. So now let's scramble the cube. So now it is scrambled properly. So the first step is, as discussed, will hold from the smaller piece. So we'll hold it from this smaller piece and will move this from this side or this side. So the second layer is now solved. Now we have to make smaller pieces together, these smaller edge pieces together, and we have to make half circle on top or bottom. So now we can see we have 1 2 3 4 smaller piece in bottom that we have to bring on top. So this we have got 3 edge pieces. So now we'll move them and we will bring another edge piece if we can. So this edge piece we can connect with this, so like this. So now we have 1 2 3 4 edge pieces. So our basic objective to bring small edge pieces on top and make half circle is to bring this cube into its original shape. So we have got now 1 2 3 4 edge pieces. Now we'll bring another edge piece. We have got 2 edge pieces here. So what we'll do is we'll bring it on top. So what we'll do is we'll have to bring it from here so that we can match with them. So now we can see we have got 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and now we have got two edge pieces in bottom. Okay, so okay, now this is somewhat tricky situation. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to move like this, and this is the situation where there is a fin kind of shape, and there are two edges, small edges. Now what we'll do is we'll have to bring these two edges and we'll have to match with these smaller edges. So we will bring them up, so this piece will go down like this, and now we have this fin side is in bottom. So now what we'll do is we'll move like this, so these three bigger corner pieces are into right hand side, and now we will move this up. So now we can see this is a kind of flower in bottom, and the half circle is on top. So now we can make this cube into its original position. So we have to cut across half the way. So 1 2 3 4, four edges are on right hand side, four edges are on left hand side, and we have to slash it. So whenever we make this move, so this is from equator line, we'll call it slash. So this is slash, slash, slash. So this is slash. Okay, now again we'll make it half. So two edges are on right hand side, two edges are on left hand side, and in bottom also we'll do the same. So two edges are on left hand side and two edges are on right hand side, and again slash. So now we can see we have got this shape in bottom and on top. Now we'll again make it half. So one edge is on right hand side, one edge is on left hand side, and in bottom what we will do is we'll make this corner, big corner on left hand side, and one corner on right hand side. So we are moving this vertically, and here we have moved it in horizontally. So now we can see this is the horizontal side and this is vertical, and now we'll again slash it. So this is the shape. It's like shield shape. You can see bottom and top, and now we'll have to match with this side. I mean, two corners will be in front. In bottom also two corners will be in front like this. So these two corners will be in front of you on top and bottom, and now again slash it. So now we can see it is into its original position. So our first step is done. Okay, so now next step is to fix the corners. So we have yellow corner over here, so we have to fix three yellow corners over here. So we have three corners here. So what we'll do is first we'll bring this two corners on right hand side, and we'll have to do it I mean make it off center, because if we move from here it will be again the unsolved side. So we'll have to make it little off center, and then we'll have to move it. So now we can see we have 1 2 3 corners which are placed properly. We have one corner needs to be placed, so don't worry about middle layer. Now we have to fix the last corner. So this corner will match with this corner, so that we have two yellow corners which are next to each other. So make it little off center and slash it. So now we can see we have two corners, and now take it onto right hand side, and now again take them up. So now we can see we have 1 2 3 4 4 corners are placed properly. We have two edges which needs to be properly placed. So we have white edge here, and this is yellow edges, so we'll have to bring those yellow edges on top. So first put it on right hand side, the yellow edge, and this also white edge also onto right hand side. So what we'll do is we'll swap this two. This is white edge and this is yellow edge. We'll swap this two, and to swap it we'll use this algorithm. So that is one means one edge piece clockwise, 1 0. So top 1 bottom 0 and slash. Top 0 bottom -3. -3 means anti-clockwise 3. So 1 2 3 and slash. Top 0 again bottom -3. So -3 means 1 2 3 and slash. Now top -1 bottom -1 and slash. Now top 1 bottom 4. So top 1 bottom 4. So 1 2 3 and 4 slash. Now top 0 bottom 3. So 2 and 1. So 3. So now we can see this edge is solved. Now we have to solve this edge. So first we'll bring it on right hand side, this bottom yellow also into right hand side. Now we'll swap these two. So again we'll use the same algorithm. So top 1 and bottom 0 slash. Top 0 bottom -3. So 1 2 3, corner is equal to 2. So 3. Top 0 bottom -3 again slash. -1 top and -1 bottom. So -1 -1 slash. 1 top 1 bottom 4. So 1 and bottom 4 slash. 0 and 3. So 2 and 3 slash. So now we can see all our edges, yellow edges are on top. Now next step is to place the corners into its correct position, because this is green and orange and this is blue and orange. So these two are not correctly positioned, these two are not correctly positioned, these two are not correctly positioned. Don't worry about middle layer. If you want to fix this middle layer, there is a simple algorithm, that is slash then 6. So 2 and 1 3 and 2 5 and 6. So 6 again slash again 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and slash. So it is solved. So now we have to fix the corners. We have to place the corner into its correct position. So we need to see whether any of the corners are placed properly. So we have any headlights. So in this we do not have, here also we don't have, here also we don't have. So we do not have any headlights. So don't worry, we have to do this algorithm and we'll have one headlight. So that is slash 3 and -3. So 3 and -3 slash -3 and 0. slash 0 and 3 slash, then 0 and minus 3 slash, and 0 and 3 slash. So now we can see we have one headlight over here. We'll see whether any of the other headlights. So we have one headlight. So what we'll do is we'll bring this headlight onto back inside, and now we'll again do the same algorithm, and we do not have to make off center, we have to do it directly. So that is slash 3 top 3 bottom minus 3 and slash top minus 3 bottom 0 and slash now top 0 bottom 3 slash top 0 bottom minus 3 slash top 0 bottom 3 and slash. So now we can see we have all corners placed properly. So now we have to fix the bottom corners into its correct position. So what we'll do is we'll bring this white side on top and this yellow side on bottom to fix the corners. So it is slash 6 and 6 and slash. So this bottom yellow is on in bottom and white is on top now. And again we'll do the same algorithm to fix the corner into its correct position. So we do not have any headlight, we have one headlight over here, so we'll keep it on back side only, and we'll do it this algorithm, that is slash 3 top 3 bottom minus 3 slash top minus 3 bottom 0 slash now 0 and 3 slash 0 and minus 3 slash 0 and 3 slash. So now we can see all the corners are placed correctly. So now we have to bring this white side in bottom again. So slash 6 and 6 and slash. So our this step is done. Okay, so now next step is to place the edges into its correct position. So this red edge belongs to this side, this orange edge belongs to this side. So we need to place the edges into its correct position. So we have to see whether any of the edges are placed properly or not. So we have one edge which is placed properly. So what we'll do is we'll keep it either on the left side or front side. So according to how we have to swap these two edges, so we have to either keep it on left side, the solved edge, or front side. So and we have to make another edge solved which is next to this side. So either this edge we need to solve or this edge we need to solve. So we'll see whether we'll keep it on left hand side, and we'll have to see whether left hand side, and we'll have to see whether we can solve this side or this side. So we'll do one algorithm that will swap these two edge pieces and these two edge pieces. So here also we have one side which is properly one edge which is solved. So we'll keep this edge also, this side also, onto left hand side. So this top and bottom, both the side which are solved onto left hand side, and now we'll swap this two and we'll swap this two. So this red will come here and it will be solved, and this orange will come here and it will be solved. So we have two sides which are solved and they are next to this solved side. So we have two sides which are next to each other which are solved. So that's the right configuration. So we have to hold it like this. This will solve, this will swap right and back edge pieces. So hold it like this, and we have to do this algorithm, that is -2 and 0 slash 3 and 0 slash -1 and -1 slash -2 and 1 slash. Okay, so now we can see we have two sides which are next to each other are solved. Here also we have two sides which are next to each other which are solved. So we'll keep these two sides in front and left, and these two sides which are unsolved into right hand side and back hand side. So this two will swap and this two will swap, and our cube will be solved. So we'll again do the same algorithm, -2 and 0 slash 3 and 0, so 3 and 0 slash -1 and -1 0, sorry, slash -2 and 1 slash. So now we can see our cube is solved. I'll show you one parity case wherein we have two edge pieces which are unsolved and entire cube is solved. So that is a parity case. I'll just show you how to solve that. So this is a parity case wherein two edge pieces needs to be solved, entire cube is solved. So if we try using earlier algorithm and try to solve it, so this 2 will be solved, this 2 will be unsolved. So this 2 will swap, this 2 will swap. So this is solved, this is unsolved. So in any case we'll have a two edge pieces either on top or bottom unsolved. So this is a parity case. We need a parity algorithm to solve it. So it's a long algorithm. So hold it like this, and this is on the front, this should be on the front and right. So it is like slash -3 slash, so it's like, I'll just do it again. So this is on front and right, so slash, then -3 and 0, so -3 and 0, 0 and 3, so 3 slash 0 and -3 slash 0 and 3 slash 2 and 0 slash 0 and 2 slash -2 and 0 slash 4 and 0, so 4 and 0 slash 0 and -2, so slash, then 0 and 2 slash -1 and 4 and slash, and 0 and -3 and slash. So now we can see it is solved, and now we have to fix the middle layer. So it is simple, slash 6, again slash 6 and slash. So now we can see our cube is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.